name's Arlo, I'm 6 years old. This is my first motocross race.
As soon as you see that gate go just a little bit, you rip it, alright? Good luck, buddy, I love you. Test down.
Where life takes me, find me with a smile. Be soon to be happy, don't be laughing like a child. I never thought life would be this sweet. It got me cheesy from cheek to cheek. Hey, hey.
Good job, Arlo! Awesome!
That just ain't my style. Life couldn't get better. This gon' be the best day ever.
Yeah, good job. Good job, buddy! You were pretty much last on the first lap, and you came all the way back through. That was really good.
And I passed lots of fast boys.
Yeah, you were one of the fast boys.